Thank you everyone for coming to watch my first I Burn 3 Sword video. I'm going to try to pop one of these up every Wednesday morning. And I'm going to start and post shorts for them in the evenings throughout the weeks. Let me know what you think of them. I'm not going to do too much voiceover in this particular video, but let me know if you want more voiceover when I do these. I'm also thinking about doing videos where I share random facts while I do some woodworking. Let me know what you think in the comments, and yeah, enjoy. If you're curious what those noises in the background were, my neighbor was moving a ladder, and my neighbor's wind chimes just sound gorgeous all the time in the wind. So I'll be finishing these with shellac when I'm done with them. I'm not gonna do a video for every shellac of these swords in the future, but this particular lawn one, I will do a short for that in the future. So look forward to that. And I'm hoping this handle is gonna come out a nice reddy color because it's actually made out of mahogany. I know, mahogany. It's great. I love mahogany. I mean, it's mainly because of Team 4 Star and Dragon Ball Z Abridged, but still, mahogany. Just sounds fun to say. Mahogany. Anyway, um, and the rest of the blade and handle is a single piece of Douglas fir. That's why the lines burn out so beautifully, just like looking like Damascus, as opposed to the white pine that the two daggers are made out of. Or I suppose short swords, you should call them. I'm not really sure what to call them. I'll call them short swords.